Hello, welcome. Today we're going to learn how to add applications or apps to your Chromebook. Now, see, we're starting on the Google Home screen, but it's not necessary for you to start on the Google Home screen in order to add an app to your Chromebook. You can simply start by opening your Chromebook, and the first page that appears there, you can start to add your apps on that screen. And how you're going to do that is by locating your launcher button. And your launcher button is located on the left-hand side of your keyboard. It looks like a magnifying glass or a circle with a line extending out of it. It's below the Tab key and above the Shift key. So when I press on the launcher button, a black screen is going to appear at the bottom, and in the middle of that screen is a little arrow. And you're going to click on that arrow, and the black screen is going to extend, and we're going to locate our Google Play Store. And it's from the Google Play Store where we're going to be able to look for an app that we want to add. So once I click that, I'm going to be taken to the Play Store front page. And I can add my apps two ways. One, I can either click here on the white screen and scroll down and see if the app that I want is located here. Mostly the apps that are here are very popular apps. Now, if you don't find the app you're looking for, you're going to come to this dialog box at the top, and you're going to type in what you're looking for. Today we're going to be adding the Google Drive. So you see that the Google Drive is already listed here, but I want to show you how to type in Google Drive. And if you notice, the list here as I'm typing is changing and adapting. It's trying to help me locate the app that I'm looking for. So I see the app here, so I'm going to click on that. And when I open this next screen, I want to make sure that the icon here is the same as Google Drive and that the correct company name is here so that I'm not downloading a fake app. So I'm going to click the Install button. And you can see that it says pending here and the circle is moving. So that's letting us know that the application is downloading. Now, depending on the size of the app and the speed of your internet or your connection is going to determine how long it's going to take for the app to download. So we see here we're at 59-60%. Now it's installing. And once it's installed, this cancel button will turn green, and then we can click to open it.